So this video, I'm going to show you how do you change your tire apps. Let's get started. Now this video, I'm going to show you how do you change your spare tire. There's a spare tire in your car boot. This is the toolbox that we need. So keep it aside. I'm going to unscrew this nut. This is where the jack are located. I've just removed it earlier. Right. I need to slide it out. Alright, so this is what you need. If this is a tire that will puncture, so what you do is you must get your spare tire and make sure they have pressure. Pressure in your spare tire, it's 420 kilopascal or 60 psi. And the maximum speed that you can go is maximum 80 kilometer per hour. Then there's the jack, and there's a tool that you need to remove the lug nut. So first thing to do is you're going to place your jack at the correct position. What does it mean is that if you look around your jack here, is the jack, the position of the jack, and how to place the jack near your car, right? So you can read the instruction. My model can be different than yours, but the step will be the same. So this is the glove, and then it has to be placed around here, right? You need to look underneath your car and you try to rotate either direction. If it's not on the left, it will be on the right. Now one thing for sure is so your floor is flat. Now if your floor is not hard enough, you may want to use a piece of wood to support your jack. You place a jack top of it so that you're able to help reduce the pressure exert onto a soft soil floor. Now for this case, my floor is a cement concrete floor, then it's hard enough and it's flat enough, so I do not need a piece of wood. So I can just raise it. I'm going to make sure it's aligned. Alright, yes, here you go. Alright, so I can't turn it anymore. I've placed my spare tire underneath the car so that I have enough room for me to work with. Okay, to start with, use this tool. Goes into this hole. And then use your wrench. You can rotate it as a hole. So this hole goes into here. And now you are ready. I just need to raise my car, raise your vehicle. Now the reason why I must raise my car a little bit is because my puncture tire now is slightly lower at an angle. So I must make sure, raise up a little bit so that my front wheel are now level. Then I will be able to loosen my four lug nut. Next, I'm going to loosen the nut with the wrench given by the car. So if I want to remove the nut out, it works with only right hand. If it comes out, then you must rotate counterclockwise. Push it this way, so I must rotate this way. And I will try my best to get the maximum force furthest away from this nut. You don't want to hold it here because the moment that you need is quite a lot of force you need. So this is the point of pivot point. I will try my best to pull this direction because to remove counterclockwise. To remove it. So too stiff, what can you do? I'm going to step onto it. So it's good that if you wear a safety shoe, make sure your ankle is here so that it's furthest away from the rotation. So I'll place my ankle here instead. So I'll press it here downwards. This is a rotation point, furthest away. So there you go. I've loosened it, right? If you're nice, if you have an impact wrench, normally you will have one in my home or an office. You place it in the office, you have one of this, it's going to be helpful. But they didn't pay me to feature the product in my video. It just happened to buy online recently. I'm going to use an impact wrench that comes with a 22 mm impact socket. Right, so this is a safety pin. Oopsie. And this thing goes to here. Right. Then the pin, and then this is to secure the pin. Okay. We use the impact wrench. Oh no, this is going to loose. So the other way around. Battery fully charged. Push it in. So yes, comes out. Yep, here you go. Easily, you can do it. Alright, so what I did just now, if it's too stiff, all I need to do is to raise this car a little bit more, then I'll be able to remove this lug nut. You can easily loosen your lug nut. That's one of the tricks I will share with you also. I don't think you will have an impact wrench. If the lug nut is too stiff for you to remove, all you need to do is to raise your car a little bit more. So here, you need to raise your car until when your tire, there's some gap. Number one,
install the spare wheel into position.
Then I'm going to use my wrench in order to tighten it, in order for this screw to go in, right hand grip screw, right hand, go in clockwise. In order for the nut to go in clockwise direction. So clockwise, okay. Once it's tightened with your hand, you do not need to kick it too hard because it's just for temporarily. Okay, so it's tightened. Okay, once it's tightened, can't move any further. If your first time watching a video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Press on the thumbs up button so that you get notified of my new video. It's free, don't worry. And I appreciate a thumbs up. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.